Hey guys, this is my bike, and I'm going to do a bike check for you. Alright, up here, I got ODI long neck grips, the ODI bars, got animal sway bars, nice bars in green. Got the Primo 1-bolt brake lever, it's held together by 1 bolt, animal brake cable, and then I got the Eastern Chocker V3 stem, Fit Shiv forks, demolition 0 rim, demolition bulimia hub, shadow spokes, got the Fit Ben Lewis frame 20.5, and then I got an Odyssey path p-lyte tire in the front 20-210. I got the animal sprocky balboa chainwheel 25 teeth, DK social cranks with MacNeil crank bolts, Eastern CFRP pedals, a really good grip on them, KMC 1/8 chain, got the Kool Stop Supra BMX clear brake pads, Odyssey path k-lyte folding tire in the back, another demolition 0 rim in the back, primo spokes, and then I got the demolition road cassette hub, 9 teeth. Left-hand drive, I have shadow conspiracy peg in the back and also in the front, and I got an FBM hub guard. So it's my bike, guys. Also got the Colony bottom brackets right there in purple. So that's my full bike, and I hope you guys like it. It's been doing really good for me. If you have any questions about any of the parts, just write below and I'll give you info about that. Okay, thanks. Bye.